The project manager is an integrated part of your account and is a really easy way for you to keep track of various projects, tasks, to-do lists, everything included inside of your account. You can see here in this very first screen, this is a very simple single project account, and we have here a fishing expedition, and there are two major functions. On the left side, we've got sort of a summary of all of the projects that are ongoing, and on the right side we have a Gantt chart. So we'll start first on the left, and we'll start at the top here where we can define who can create a project. So you can go here and you can check the boxes of people who can, and then you can filter based on any number of different things. So you can look at all your active projects, your completed, all of them. You can look at open tasks, you can look at tasks for an individual. Tasks are like to-do items. And then you can look at project updates. Every project can be updated, and each of those updates can include hours. And so you can look here if you want to look at the total number of hours that are attributed to a particular person. So here we'll just look at the fishing expedition here, our first project. We see here's a basic overview of what it is. We can categorize that. We have different progress levels, and so right now we're saying that we are currently 40% done. So if we want to increase that, we'll set it to 50% done, and you'll see it checks that. So now we're 50% done, and it will redraw the Gantt chart here on the right. So every project, of course, has a start and a due date. You can see the members, how many people are in this project associated with it, and its priority. Now if we want to change this, we just click on the pencil icon, and now we can rename the project itself, and we can change its description. We have different categories here. We can create a new category by selecting this. We can change the dates, start and stop of the project, and if we want weekly email updates sent out. And then we can look here for the actual members of the project. We can change who the account manager is or who the project manager is, and we can add and remove people from the project itself. And here we change the priority. So we'll go through here, and then we'll click on the actual name here, and it'll pull up the project details. So here are the details associated with this fishing expedition. Here it shows the people that are on it, the tasks that are associated with it. We can add a task here, and here we can say reserve a boat. So maybe we'll click on this, and now it's an open task, so we can then modify it. So we can modify that there, we'll cancel that, and then we'll click that in there. It's assigned as done now. So we can add a project update. So we can say our project status is the boat is ready for our fishing expedition, and we're not waiting on anyone. Or we can say now we're waiting on this person. So ordered a boat, and maybe it took us an hour. So we'll hit save, and there. Now we have our update. At any time, or I should say after 20 minutes after posting, you can go back and make this modification, and everyone in this project will get an email about this update. So that pretty much sums up the project manager, and of course if you have any questions, feel free to email support.